Come on outside, man.
Get it. Videotape it because we don't have ours.
Yeah, the day before the wedding. Oh my God!
Hey, our rehearsal dinner's in this today.
Watch out, Vito!
Hey, just like being at work. I'll go last if we fall through that.
I wonder if this is a sign I shouldn't be getting married. Go out there, buddy.
Yeah,
Go out there. Run out there.
It's fun.
Go. 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 Go.
Get the deck, dude. Get the deck.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
And it's almost over. So much for mowing the lawn.
It's a little wet now. My toes are cold.
My nice backyard. Look at it. Grass is starting to grow. Yay.
Dude, it looks like our backyard has camber.
It does. Look at the gutter up there. That's crazy.